Am I wrong for having a dry wedding and serving only water for drinks? Only water though? That seems a bit extra. There better be a good excuse for this. Okay, so basically my husband and I are getting married later this year. Each of our sides of the family are fairly big and there will be about 100 to 150 people total at the wedding. My husband and I are paying for this wedding all on our own, as well as my grandma who said that she doesn't care one way or another. She's just happy to help and she loves weddings. We have a lot of kids in our family, so we decided against making it child free, but we decided to make it dry. So there will be no alcohol of any kind at our wedding. Sounds lame. I'm joking. It's your wedding. Do whatever you want. Anyways, okay, let me keep reading. Honestly, this doesn't have anything to do with there being kids, but due to the fact that my fiance and I don't drink. Nothing against people who do, it's just not for us and we don't want to. On top of that, we only really drink water. We very rarely, if ever, drink soda, so most of the time it's only water with the occasional juice and milk. We don't even drink coffee. So obviously the food, which is the part that my grandma isn't paying for, is going to be expensive for that many people. We're having our wedding catered, so everyone will have a good choice of food to choose from, but there'll only be water to drink. We don't want to have to pay for alcohol or soda. It's honestly just a lot larger of a cost when we can do filter water for a much cheaper cost. Well, when family and friends found out, they got angry. Some didn't really care, but some are really upset about it. They say that we can just have an open bar so that we don't have to pay for drinks. I mean, sure we could do that, but we would still have to pay for the bartender and we really just don't want to bother with alcohol there. Others say we should at least have soda because how can we expect everyone to only drink water? They say the kids will be upset, the wedding will be boring, and that this is not how weddings work. So am I wrong? I didn't think that this would be a problem. It's only water. I mean, don't most people drink water every day anyways? Should we pay extra to have soda to make the family happy? So this one is hard because sure, it's your wedding and you can't really go wrong. You know, you do you, it's your wedding. But like seriously, only water? I think that's too far. What do you guys think?